What's up, guys? My name is Ike, and I'm posting another trade, my recent trade on General Mills, ticker symbol GIS. I entered here on July 13th on this bar around 44.99. I got that correct. 44.99, and I'm still holding this, and it's already over a month I've been holding this shares. And why did I trade this? Well, it was oversold. And of course, because of this gap right here, you see that nice gap. So I'm waiting for this gap to get filled. I know, and I'm just waiting for this 200 moving average, for the price to break the 200 moving average. And I set my target at 48.50, a little bit earlier. I'm not waiting for that gap to be filled. I guess because I've been holding it for a long time, and it seems like it was having a hard time to keep for the price to keep going up. That's why I put it at 48.50, and I'll see what happens next. I know there have been some negative news that is related to General Mills, and some might still feel very bearish about this stock. We see the pull down here because of that negative news that we hear about some of the products. They found some weed chemicals in their products. Let me just put that news right up here, and you can see the headline: General Mills drops natural label from granola bars after lawsuit. It sounds like they are being sued, but who's really getting sued right here? You can see in this paragraph, glyphosate is what they found in some products of General Mills. But it's a main ingredient in Monsanto's Roundup pesticide products. A judge recently ordered the company to pay $289 million to a man who claimed using Roundup caused his terminal cancer. So the company, of course, is Monsanto. So who owns Monsanto? Monsanto was actually bought by Bayer. And check this out. This is what's going on with Bayer now. Bayer dives after Monsanto loses Roundup cancer trial. So that's what's really going on with Monsanto, or rather Bayer also. So it's not, General Mills is not really getting hit from this negative news, although some, when they hear this news and they relate it to General Mills, they become bearish about it. I also, initially, I felt, when I heard those news, I felt like, man, this stock is going to keep dropping because of that negative news, but it still kept holding itself right here. I mean, look at that. It's still, it looks like it will still break the 200 moving average. So let's look at that company, Bayer, right? What's going on with Bayer? What's their ticker symbol? Bayer. B-A-Y-R-Y. Look at that. Ugly. Look at what's going on. Wow. This drop right here, man. These are big investors. They knew what was coming on. The lawsuit that was being implemented, and so this is what happened. They dropped here, and on the 13th continued to drop. What a big drop. Huge drop. So that lawsuit. Let's go back to GIS. So for GIS, General Mills, I'm still going to hold it. My target would be 48.50. I know it's a little bit earlier, and I'm not waiting for that gap to be filled. It's just something that I feel more safe, you know, until I see reasons to hold it, to cover that gap. And that gap will be covered around 49, 49.70. So this is what I'm doing. I'm holding this chart, and let's see what happens with this. Maybe in a few weeks, we'll see what happens to this price. If you like the video, please subscribe and click like. If you don't like it, click the thumbs down twice. Thanks.